All right, guys, so super excited about this. I found the next parking lot sale at Harbor Freight, and let me tell you, they got some good deals. So, this parking lot sale is going to be March 3rd. So, we're super early with this leaked advertising, and it's going to run all the way to Sunday, March 9th. So, this is going to be pretty awesome. I've been waiting for some really good tool deals to share with you guys, and it looks like we're going to get some in this parking lot sale. So let's hurry up and go through this so I can post this video for you guys so you can see all the deals. So at the top in the yellow, we got the normal stuff here. We got your microfiber towels. We got the ammo can. Those are always nice to have. Nice steel storage solution there. $10 for that. You got your blue tarp. Those are always nice. Just don't expect them to last very long. Coming in at $2. Got your 29-piece titanium drill bit set. Another $10 item there. And then we got the Apache. I love these cases. 2800 weatherproof protective case. This is the medium one. 18 bucks. If you guys are looking to store stuff, I use these for my handguns and some camera equipment. These things are amazing. Really good cases by Apache. Only $18. Heck of a deal there. And then we got the 500 lumen LED rechargeable work light. Another good price, only 14 bucks. Hell of a work light. And then right below that, we got the Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator, $600. So we're getting a really good price on this. 3500 watts, pretty decent size generator. This shouldn't have a problem powering most of your appliances in your house when you have a power outage. Next to that, US General roll cab. 8 different colors, 500 bucks. You guys know US General has some really nice toolboxes, and this one coming in at 500 bucks. Not a bad price. Next to that, we got the Icon diagnostic scanner. That one's $790, and then all the way to the right, we got the Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack. Another good price, 90 bucks. A lot of these prices are the original parking lot prices, so it's nice to see. All right, so on to the second part of the first page. Look at this. Across the top, all really good deals. First off, 30% off all Hercules corded power tools. 30% off. So that's a heck of a deal. Next to that, another really good deal, 40% off the Quinn socket sets and ratchets. If you guys are looking for a really good tool set, definitely check out the Quinn line of ratchets and socket sets. And at 40% off, killer deal on that. And then, of course, all Hardy gloves, 50% off. I always like to pick up some Hardy gloves, whether they're the work gloves or those rubber gloves. Always come in handy. Right below that, we got the Vulcan Omni Pro 220 coming in at $850. Another pretty decent deal. We got the Bauer drain cleaning drum machine for $200. There's the Portland electric pressure washer, 70 bucks. We've seen this deal many a times during the parking lot sale. But if you guys are looking for a light duty electric pressure washer, this will be perfect. And then we got the Badlands 12,000 pound winch with wire rope, $280. Another really good deal. And then we got the Predator 6.5 horsepower engine for $100. Then we got some stuff down at the bottom of the page in yellow. You got the tire inflator, and I don't really like that. But the rest of these I think is a pretty decent buy. That 115 lumen wall mounted solar security light. Those come in handy. I got a bunch of those around the garage. Under $9 for that. Not a bad deal. Then we got the Wobble socket extension set. That's a 9-piece. Under $10 for that. The hardwood dolly. Good buy on that for under $8. The tool bag. Who can't use a tool bag for only under $5? And then the dual temperature heat gun. I actually have one of those. It's lasted me a long time. Can't beat that for $10. All right, on to the second page. Up in the yellow, we got cable ties, 10-pack, $1.50 for those. Got the security bit set with case, 100-piece. Actually, even though this is so cheap, it actually came in handy for me a couple times. So $8, not a bad deal. Got your pneumatic tire. $6, and then we got the moving blankets. Really a fan of the moving blankets. I think those come in handy. Under $4. Great pickup there. You got the hex shank socket driver set for, it's a 3-piece for $2, and then we got the step bits 2-piece for $10. Jump into some Bauer. So we got the 2-tool drill and impact driver. This is going to come with two 1.5 amp hour batteries in the charger. 85 bucks, not a bad deal for this. Great for DIYers. And then next to that, get the 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench, tool only, for 100 bucks. Right below that, they got the Random Orbit palm sander, $20. It's corded, but hey, for 20 bucks, you really can't beat that. And then we got the drywall sander next to that for 110. And then we got the angle grinder. That's only $20. So another pretty good pickup there. All the way to the right, we got the 12-inch Admiral compound miter saw with LED and laser guide coming in at $180. And then the universal portable bandsaw benchtop stand. Those are pretty nice for 100 bucks. Right below that, in stores only, 40% off all cutoff and grinding wheels. And that is a really good deal. Probably go ahead and pick up some of those during the parking lot sale, because I always go through those pretty fast, grinding on some metal. All right, check out the second half of the second page. We got a couple more Bauer tools up in the left-hand corner there. So we got the handheld electric drain cleaner, 80 bucks for that. And then the short throw Random Orbit DA polish sander for only 40 bucks. I actually picked this one up at the last parking lot sale. A great polisher sander. If you guys are looking for one, definitely pick that one up. Then we got the Banks brad nailer for 20 bucks, and then the retractable hose reel for only 60 bucks by Central Pneumatic. Real good deal there. You got the Vonnie airless paint primer and stain sprayer for 200 bucks. Another really good deal. And then if you guys are looking for some compressors, they got a few here. They got a couple Fortress, and they got a couple McGraw compressors. Go ahead and check out what's in the yellow. Got the infrared laser thermometer, 15 bucks. Gravity fed air spray gun, back under $10 again. I actually used a bunch of these over a course of painting my car, base coat, clear coat, and it's, for the price, you cannot beat that spray gun. They got the foldable sawhorses, 500-pound capacity. You're looking for some cheap sawhorses. I've had these in the past also, and they're actually not too bad for 13 bucks. You got your shop towels, 50-pack. These are pretty decent, but these don't do a good job if you need to clean up a spill. They're better for like grease, stuff like that. They just aren't very absorbent, so that's the only downside to them. So under $8 for that. Tape measure. Got a bunch of these laying around the shop for under $2. You can't beat it. And then we got the starter kit, air compressor starter kit. I would pass on that one. All right, on to the third page. You got your 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack. 15 bucks for that. Cheap set of pliers for $15. Don't expect a lot out of those. They do got the ratchet straps. I like picking up the ratchet straps from Harbor Freight. Only 12 bucks for those. Rubber wheel chalk, 5 bucks. Then they got the 5-gallon gas can. Diesel or gasoline you can pick up for $19. I just really hate the design of these new gas cans with the safety design on them. I just wish we could go back to the old style. And then next to that, we got the 800 lumen flashlight for under $10. Another Badlands winch. This is the 5,000-pound winch for $160. Really good winches by Badlands. And then this is what we've been waiting for, the U.S. General 5-drawer mechanic cart. And any color pretty much that you need, back down to $190. I know I had people asking me when this was going to drop in price. And, well, there you go, guys. It's going to be in March during the parking lot sale. So if you guys have been waiting for this one, $190. Definitely a good pickup. If you've been waiting, pick it up at this parking lot sale. You're not going to regret it. Then next to that, we got the triple bank roll cab. $1,400 for that. Another really good deal if you guys have been in the market for a 72-inch by 22-inch roll cab. Right below that, we got the Pittsburgh aluminum racing floor jack. I like these because they're so light and easy to move around. Only $80. We got the Daytona 3-ton ratcheting jack stands. Now, this isn't the cheapest price we've seen, but $27.99. That's what they got going on for the parking lot sale. 3-ton low-profile floor jack by Daytona in 4 different colors for $125. Pretty good deal there. And then we got the U.S. General socket tray. It's a 3-piece for $18. All right, we'll jump to the second part of the page. So we got Icon. You can pick up the snap ring pliers. It's an 8-piece for $50. And then they also got the 400-pound capacity premium creeper for $75. I actually still have the Pittsburgh creeper. I picked that up at a parking lot sale. And I'm going to tell you what, I'm not going to complain. I think it's a pretty good creeper for the price. I think I only paid like 20 bucks for it. Then we got the Pittsburgh mechanic tool set, 225 piece for 100 bucks. Decent beginner set there. We got the Hallmaster 1,720 pound capacity folding trailer, 500 bucks for that. And then we got the Viking 1000 peak jump starter and power bank, and this has the built-in compressor up to 150 psi, $70. And then all the way to the right, we got the Centec battery charger with engine jump start for $130. Right above that, as you guys can see, liquidation sale. So this is going to be your open box, as is closeout items. And this is going to be on a first come, first serve basis. So if you're part of the ITC member, you'll be able to get in there when the doors open, and you have first dibs for everything that's up to 78% off. Jump down to the bottom page in the yellow. We got the magnetic pickup tool. I got a couple of these. Those always come in handy, only $2. Screwdriver set, 12 piece, $6. Don't really like those. You got the E-Track, so if you guys got a trailer, that might come in handy for you. You got the brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit. I actually purchased this a while ago, and I'm going to say stay away from it. Did not really like it. 250 lumen folding LED work light for under $5. Not too bad. And then I also used the 12 volt magnetic LED towing light kit on my trailer. This is only 20 bucks, but the magnet on there didn't hold up to some high winds and bumps, so I actually lost one of the lights. All right, on to the last page. Top left in the yellow, we got some batteries. So these are the blue batteries, and I actually just started using these. I used to always get the Amazon Basics batteries, and it seems like these work just as well as those, so I started using these. Definitely recommend those over the yellow ones that they sell. We got the parts storage case for only $6. Rivet nut setter kit for $30. Canvas drop cloth, $7 for that. And then if you guys are looking for a better tarp than those blue ones, here's the heavy duty reflective tarp. This is weather resistant, going to be a lot better than those blue ones for only 20 bucks. Garden hose over there for 15. And then here is something that I'm probably going to pick up this time around at the parking lot sale, is the titanium 125 welder. So this is 120. I've seen it right around 124, but I think I'm going to go ahead and pick this up this time for 120 bucks. Not a bad deal. Then they also have the 200 multi-process welder for 600 bucks. Next to that, they got the welding table for 150, and then all the way to the right, they do have the Chicago Electric welder for 100 bucks. I actually own that one, but I'm going to upgrade to that titanium because I think I'll just be able to weld a little bit better with the titanium. And then right below that, they do have the auto darkening welding helmet for 30 bucks. That might be something else I pick up also with that titanium 125. We got some Predator generators. So we got the 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator, 9,500 watts for 1,800 bucks. Not a bad pickup if you guys are looking for a generator. Power goes out and you need something to power your whole house. That's going to be a ticket right there for 1,800 bucks. Then they got the 9,000 watt. This one's going to be a louder generator, not the inverter style, but that one's going to be 700 bucks. And then we got the semi-trash water pump for 230. All right, on to the second half of the last page. We got the Portland electric pole saw, 50 bucks for that. Not too bad. And then they got the Cover Pro 12 by 20 foot portable garage for $330. We got some Yukon stuff. We got the hardwood workbench for $150. And then some cheap storage solution. We got the 5-tier shelf for 40 bucks. Just don't put anything too heavy on that because that is all plastic. All the way to the right, we got the Franklin service cart for 75 bucks. And then we got the Central Machinery 20-ton floor shop press, 200 bucks for that. So if you guys are looking for a shop press, that's a pretty good deal there. Got the parts cleaner for 140. The Drummond utility pump for 100 bucks. The foldable aluminum sports chair, 23 bucks. Not too bad. It's got that shelf on the side, and you can get it in blue or green. Got the Vanguard extension cord, 100 foot. for $110. And then we'll take a look at everything in the yellow. 24-foot LED outdoor string lights. I got 3 sets of these in my backyard. Really nice, affordable lighting for your backyard at night. Got the folding hex key set. Got these two, not too bad, for $5. Multi-use transfer pump for $4. We got the socket adapter set, 4-piece. That one's coming in at under $3. The 7-inch wire stripper with cutter for under $3. And then all the way to the right, we got the ratcheting combination wrench set, 7-piece. Not too bad for $20. Those are the ratcheting ones. So if that's something you guys are looking for, that might be a good pickup. And it's in SAE and metric. Lots of good deals during this parking lot sale. Let me know what you guys might be picking up in the comment section below. Like I said, I'll probably pick up that titanium welder. And I still haven't pulled the trigger on that US General 5-drawer tool cart, but I might this time around. Hopefully you found the video useful. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.